So, first of all, I just want to congratulate all the students and Idipment, obviously. Yeah, because without Idipment, it was not possible to complete this. And like, yeah, it was really great event from the beginning, and it was great learning for everyone, not only for the students, or it was great learning for the Idipment also. So I just want to add few things like for the students like we you all are winners, so if you won't win this competition, that is completely fine, because you have learned a lot till this time, and all the learnings will be take away from this event to make this make yourself better every day. Okay, so good to see this kind of confidence in you at this age. Really appreciate. So I wish you all the very best for your future. And yes, thanks for Adipment for this kind of event. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful feedback. Now, I would request अबे सर, आपका एडिमेंट का कैसा सफर रहा, प्लीज हमें बताइए प्लीज.
एंडोमेंट का सफ़र बहुत अच्छा रहा अभी तक का। और आइडिया एंडोमेंट का आइडिया बहुत अच्छा है, और इससे स्टूडेंट्स को काफ़ी हेल्प मिलेगा उनका एम एंड टारगेट अचीव कर क्लियर सेट करने के लिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का एम और टारगेट ही क्लियर नहीं रहता है, जिसकी वजह से आगे गोल डिसाइड करने में काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है और अचीव करने में। तो थैंक यू एडोमेंट फॉर दिस वंडरफुल प्रोग्राम एंड ऑल द बेस्ट इन फ्यूचर।
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your words. Now, I would request Aman, please say something about achievement, please.
Yes, so with element is a unique concept which we are bringing on. So here we are combining the all the recruitment process which we done in any industry, like in government or in private or in any other industry you want to go, and further combining with the mentorship session which we have added, so that will other add more clarification towards your goals, and likewise how you can prepare toward that. So yeah, that was the overall concept we are bringing on. So we are working on that to further more improvise that one. Yeah, so that's all my side also.
Thank you, Aman. I would request Sobik sir to say few words if he is available. Please, sir. Maybe he has some technical issues. Now, in small, actually, I just want to have to calculate still the numbers. So I would request all the student who was a part of SOI to say few words about redeemment. Who want to say anything? It will be Saurav, Harshit, Ayan. कोई भी बोल सकता है.
Hey, hi everyone. Do I still have the chance to speak?
Yeah, please, sir. Please, we are waiting for
I'm
you.
so sorry. I was constantly traveling, so without wasting much time of yours, I was listening to whatever was going on, and it was a really, really fantastic event, as per me, to both Edivment and the students of SR Vidyapit. So, first of all, congratulations, everyone, to make up to this round. It was really great to see your performances at this young age, and thanks a lot to Edivment for organizing this and for inviting me also. So being a mentor also, it like I'm learning a lot, right? It's not only for the students, it's also for the mentors. Whoever is attached to this organization is getting to learn something. So seems fantastic. And I would just like to say to the students, I think I joined few rounds back and I was unfortunate not to join for the last two rounds. So, as you might have already experienced, that this is a great platform uh, to grow your skills. And as I have already said in my previous connects also, that it needs a it needs a transition to move from the student life to a corporate or to industry life. So Edimban provides the same, and um, it seems great actually to see that transition actually happening through these events to the students, as I have seen in this round. Because as I compare from the first round, I really see a huge growth among the students. I see a increased confidence level, and the skills also. So, yep, I would